Hi, good evening, all. Thank you for tuning in to All India Runners Motivation, a platform for all runners to tell their stories, a platform where we bring in legends of running in India and abroad also. And today, it's a great privilege for me to introduce Mr. Prabhakar Rao, who was a national record holder for steeplechase and has won a lot of medals nationally and internationally. He is currently also an advanced marathon coach with Striders. So today is the interview not only about running history, nutrition, diet. It's also about training needs and what we can do as a country to make sure that we can get a lot of medals. So Mr. Prabhakar Rao is just joining now. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Gopi Rajesh. Thank you for inviting me for this show.
Thank you. Well, thank you very much for agreeing to it also. I know it was short notice, but it was very kind of you, despite being a festival day, that you agreed for this interview. And I'm sure the viewers would enjoy this interaction and get some knowledge on running and running history from you. So we'll start with the first question. Just tell us a bit about yourself and your running journey.
Luckily or unluckily, I started distance running very early age. And when I was in 6th and 7th class, I was in Coco team.
Okay.
So lot of endurance I started developing when I was 13, 14 years. 2 years we were district champions.
Okay.
So later, my brother was deputy director sports authority of Andhra Pradesh. That time it
Okay.
was combined. So
Okay.
he introduced me to my great coach, highly qualified and highly knowledgeable coach, Mr. Keshav Reddy,
Okay.
in the year 69. So
69.
uh, Mr. Keshav Reddy,
Yeah.
I had a chance to attend a coaching camp.
Okay.
There was a state coaching camp. About 50 people they expected, and the number was not there. I was not an athlete then.
Okay.
So since they were not there, it was like recommendation. I asked my brother asked my coach. Oh, my brother is there. I asked him to come. He said, "Okay, do it." I said. I
Okay.
went and attended the camp for about 3 weeks camp. By the
Okay.
time I completed the camp, I was awarded diamond athlete.
Okay.
Best athlete was Mr. Dick Cruz, an Anglo-Indian. He was a sprinter. He ran 10.7 seconds. I was
Okay.
bit quite young, but by the time I finished the 3 weeks of coaching camp, I was one of the best athletes,
Okay. What age
and
was it?
that was about 17 years old.
Okay. Okay.
And
And how long
immediately
before that
up,
you did Coco?
that was early days. Only 2 years I did. Afterwards, I was master of many things. I was playing cricket. I was captain my class. The guys who
Okay.
played under me, three guys played Ranji Trophy also. But
Okay.
later, once I
Who were
did,
those guys?
those are Prasad and early those some 35 years back.
Oh,
So
MSK Prasad, the current
not
selector.
none no. The
Okay.
other Prasad, I forgot their names also. No,
Yeah.
it's long. It was in the 60s, 67, 66 like that.
Oh, okay.
So after that camp, I was introduced to. That camp was organized by Surya Narayana, and my
Okay.
coach was Mr. Keshav Reddy. After that, introduced to Mr. Keshav Reddy is he is the man who introduced sports medicine to this country. In
Okay.
71, he was in Germany for 2 years in Leipzig
Okay.
and came back. He organized one seminar on sports medicine.
Okay.
About
That's nice.
300. 300 doctors all over the country, all top sports persons of the country he invited. That was about 3 4 days seminar. It was like a sports festival for us. I was
Okay.
an
Where was
young
it? In
man
Hyderabad?
in Hyderabad, and
Okay.
he worked 10 years on that. In between, he has gone back to Switzerland and Norway. Four years he has done a lot of research there and came back again, thinking that to develop sports in India. But those days, the conditions of Indian conditions for sports was not up to the mark. And later he became director, Sports Authority of India. He has gone to Delhi. Some of the things, he was not in India. He has gone to Delhi, and those things, it really affected me. I was so attached to him,
Okay.
and yeah, the way I started planning everything, because everything was planned.
Okay.
Distance running is science.
Okay.
Distance running is science.
So we
Just
just come to
running,
that.
just
We just come to that. We got few people tuning in and saying hello to you. We got very senior runner, Mr. Kiranpal Singh Dodi from Mumbai. He's 67 years and he still runs marathon. Who's saying hello to you? Uh, we
hello,
got
hello,
uh,
Kiran Pal.
we got Mr. Chandu Santosh from Kerala. Come tuning in.
Hello.
Sudhakar Sonawane, Nimesh Jaiswal. We got a few other people coming in also. Yadav Gopal, Mahesh Nayal. All these people are joined in, tuned in, and wanting to listen to you. Ramesh Shukla and Somin Ruya also saying hello to you. Coco, when you look at Coco, right? I mean, I'm very intrigued with that because Coco, generally you're sitting down and majority of the game you are actually sprinting. So how effective was that in your development as a runner?
Definitely. That I developed one PET was there by name Mr. Ramakrishna. He
Okay.
trained us before the Greg Memorial Trophy, that is district level school games.
Okay.
He used to give us 3 months coaching every year. 2 years I was there, and how many games I played? Not even a single time I was out.
Okay. So you are really
First thing,
fast even during a young age also.
but after some games, they made my job easy. Arey, don't touch that guy, Ray. That bugger, you will not. It's very difficult. I used to
Okay.
stand uh, and
Nobody used to come
we
and try to catch you.
and the other guys too also they are also very fast. But
Yeah.
we were champions. But that Coco base was wonderful for me. It
Okay.
really helped so much for my running career. That young
It's am-
age,
it's amazing that the Indian sports actually because Coco is not played anywhere apart from India, and how that game can actually help sprinters in developing not only endurance because you run a lot, but also in your sprinting ability, right? Because your legs, your quads are developed really well during that game because you're sitting and you're getting up, sitting and getting up. So it's basically you're doing many squats during one game apart from running.
it's like it's like a fartlek.
Okay. Yeah.
It's like how we do fartlek. It's like just like that. Five
Okay.
minutes, 5 minutes. Sometimes we have to be all out. 11 people, 11 against one.
Yeah.
They we have to run. Now not only now. Those days also the game was very fast, and that really helped me.
Yeah. And I'm sure the listeners listening to this would also be happy to hear that games like this can also help developing your base as a runner because it's something which is available and can be played anytime, does not require too much of space, and like Coco or even Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a different game, but Coco especially does not require too much of space.
See, we are lucky to be Indians. Indian fitness started 10,000 years back when there was no Europe and no American fitness. They do not know what to eat and where to sleep. Also, those days, Indian science was developed.
Okay.
What meditation? Even today, it's unfortunate, the land of yoga, we are not utilizing yoga. One Surya Namaskara is equivalent to all fitnesses from American books.
In fact, Surya Namaskara is being used, if you look at Kenya, and the base where the St. Stephen College, School, where all the majority of the runners in Kenya come from, there is a session on Surya Namaskara every single morning for all the runners. It's a compulsion.
Okay.
Okay, and we got one more runner from Mumbai tuning in, Mr. Mufaddal Hararwala. He is known by his nickname Speed, and he is his mission is this year is to run a 2:30 in full marathon. So when I told him about your time, he said he will tune in, and he just tuned in and he's saying hello to you.
Hello.
Okay. So during that time, when you started running, did you follow anybody? Were you inspired by anyone?
See, frankly speaking, maybe it looks funny. I have seen 68 Mexico Olympics movie. 68 Mexico Olympics movie.
Yeah.
Abhi Bikela's marathon.
Yes.
I must have seen that movie for 10 times.
Okay.
To become a marathon runner, like distance runner like Abhi Bikela.
Okay.
That started my dream started there.
Oh, watching Bikele. Okay, fine. That's nice. He ran in barefoot.
He ran in 60. He ran in barefoot. 64 with the shoes.
Yeah, I mean, he was one of the few people who actually defended his Olympic title, winning back to back. And in fact, when I actually look at his history, he was the first gold medalist for his country. Till that time, nobody from his country had won anything, and that was the only medal they won actually.
My continent. He is the first man.
Okay.
To win a medal for African continent.
Okay. That's nice. So, Abhi Bikela was your idol during that time.
Yeah, very much.
Anybody in India you followed?
Shivanath is my close friend. Harichand is my close. We were together. I trained so many months and months in camps and other things. So he's a great guy. I'll talk about this. Shivanath Singh. Unfortunately, people forgotten him.
I mean, you were actually part of the golden era of running. During that time, you trained with all the greats of running, right? So tell us a bit about that, actually, that era, because a lot of our youngsters nowadays, when they follow long distance running and distance running or middle distance, they do not know about our rich history of running, where we had world-class runners during that time. So if you can just tell us viewers, it will be really nice, just like a history lesson, because you were with those greats. Tell us a bit about that era.
See, I'm lucky or unlucky, I don't know. I'm lucky mingling with such great people, staying with them, running with them. Some of the workouts, I was the best. Some of the workouts, speed workouts, I was better than so many internationals. Fort leg, they were unable to touch me. Complex, they were unable to touch me. Any kind of fitness, they were unable to touch me. I made some mistakes, not knowingly. I made some mistakes. So and those days running 14:30 in 5,000 meters, we used to be in 5th and 6th place. See, imagine. Shivanath Singh, Harichand, Gopal Saini, Rajkumar, Dogra, and Mohan Singh. If I name, there is a big list of 10, 12 equal runners, 14:30, 14:35. And after that, 15 minutes, some won the nationals in men's session. 15 minutes, even 10th place we were not getting in the nationals those days. After these people retired, I am also retired along with them. Afterwards, for some times, Bahadur Prasad came. after 3-4 years, and some on and off some good runners came, but otherwise the competition was not like that.
Okay.
What workouts you're talking about? You're asking me about their workout. I'll tell you one thing. Before going to Montreal, Shivanath's workout 5,000 meters, 1420 into 4 repetitions. 1420 into 4, one session of workout. 1420. Now people
Wow.
cannot run 1420, and the secret behind their this thing is they were not concentrating more on fitness.
Okay.
Only longer mileage. Their secret is resting too much.
Okay.
How they used to have 8 hours night rest, 5 to 6 hours day rest. That
Yeah.
I was unable to do. Many educators cannot do it.
Okay.
Those are most of them are from police and services, and they used to sleep daily
Okay.
for 4-5 hours in the daytime and nighttime. That advantage, why we do longer mileage? How do you measure our fitness levels? We are training. Whether our training is working properly or not. We have to learn how to measure our fitness level. What is
Okay.
that? Our pulse rate, our resting pulse,
Okay.
our body weight, our RBC levels. We have to check every weekend or every fortnight, so that we'll know whether my training is working properly or going in a wrong direction. If
Okay.
body weight is increasing, you're eating more food, less workout, or
Okay.
you are not training properly. And here, actual distance running system is like that. And as you get up in the morning, you have to check your pulse rate. If it is constant, your pulse rate is 44 or 45. Next
Yeah.
day it is 45. Next day it is the same thing. Okay, it is going with. If it touches 60 and 62, that means you must have done a hard training, or you have not slept properly. That you can analyze. You know your activity.
Yeah.
So basing on these things, we have to follow. But there, if you rest more without thinking of anything and doing mileage daily, they used to run 10, 15, 20 kilometers, long run 30 kilometers, and come back, have food and sleep nicely for hours and hours. Automatically, your pulse rate comes down, and that is the secret of Indian runners those days.
Those
Not
days.
much.
In fact, you had a great story to talk about Shivnath Singh's national record, which is still unbeaten. When we are talking, you talked about what happened to him and how he ran it. If you can just tell that the viewers, so the viewers would also know.
And unfortunate, he is my close friend, very close friend of him. Many camps I was side of his bed also. I slept.
Okay.
And that close, together running, eating together, staying for months and months. And I'll tell you, he is a world class. He is the best distance runners from India up till now. I don't know, I can see or not in future. He is the best distance runner. He is a strong build. He is a strong build man also. He never cares anything. He is a gentleman. They say Pan Singh was also very tough man. Pan Singh
Tomar.
Pan Singh Tomar, my same event. He is 10 years earlier. He retired and he became a this
Have you seen the
Daku and
movie?
all.
Bagi. He called it as Bagi, not Daku.
He was a gentleman. My coach and he are the teammates. He used to say, whenever I run a good race, I used to say, this is my race. Arey, forget it, yaar. You touch Pan Singh record, then talk to me, he used to say. He used to give example of Pan Singh. Pan Singh was his friend. In the services team, he was also a member. He used to say his stories about him. He's a lanky, 6 feet 1 inch tall man, and as a person is very soft, it seems. Later, something happened to his family and other things. He changed all the things. And about Sivanath Singh, Sivanath would have won a medal for India, and there are so many mistakes. I don't want to. It's a open this thing. I should not say. Not properly treated. Not properly treated. Many things happened those days, and.
We are talking about his national record, right? We are talking about his national record, and you had a story to tell him a week before something happened to him. He ran. If you can just tell the viewers. Just before that, Mr. Saurav Samanta, he knows you. He's saying, hello, sir. Nice to see you. So he's saying hello to you. Hello. And Amit Chaturvedi from Kota, Rajasthan is also saying hello to you.
Amit, hi. Unfortunate thing happened. He was in Indian camp. He was training very hard. That was month of May. He was preparing for Jalandhar Open Nationals. And suddenly a news came. His father passed away. He left everything. He has gone to his native place, Buxar, in this place, Bihar. And he has completed all the rites and came back about 7-8 days, no proper food, no. You see, father expired. So all the things he has done and came back, and that was summer in Punjab, you can imagine. And that in the month of May, it was very hot. It is about 45 degrees. And 2 days before that race, those days tracks only cinder tracks, not synthetic tracks.
Okay.
It was a horrible track. He ran 10 kilometers, 10K. That was, and he was the first man to run sub 29 minutes. 28 minutes, 58.1 he ran. And next day was the rest. Third day he went and ran marathon. That was 2 hours, 11 minutes, 58 seconds, not exactly 12. Now they made it round figure, I don't know. It was 2 hours, 11 minutes, 58.
What was the temperature during that time?
Early morning, 5 o'clock, but temperature maybe, that humid will be there. Punjab conditions were in summer, horrible it is. And those conditions he ran that. And one other thing I am telling you, the second man was also not recognized properly. Muralidhar. He is 5 feet height. His height is only 5 feet. He was placed second. He was also a great runner. 2 hours 17 minutes. That was the second best. Second, I can say, those guys, if they come and run in Mumbai Marathon in these conditions, wonderful they can run below 10, 210, 28, 29. Nice. That capacity there.
Did they run bare feet?
This is the wrong concept of many people. We never train barefoot. We train with all Sivanath, Harichan, Gopal. Everybody trains with shoes only. Only competitions run. See, we have to run with proper spikes or barefoot. Barefoot, you get optimum speed. If you train that range, you are out by 1 year. No, you cannot do. See, we used to run 30, 40, one session of 400s. Right? If you run barefoot like that, it's very difficult. And your knees will be out. No, it's a wrong concept I am telling now.
We'll talk about that. We'll just talk about that training part of it. But we got a couple of your students, Anjan Chidurala, who's saying hello to you from Singapore.
Hi.
We also got Albino Fernandez from Dubai saying hello to you. And Mr. Peter Ramos saying hello to you. So barefoot running, we'll talk about Peter Ramos. So
Hi.
he's also
Hi.
saying hello to you. He's saying he's very inspired by what you're saying. So it's nice. Exactly what you had planned for when you actually agreed to this session of inspiring and telling everybody. We'll come to barefoot running. But before that, if you do you remember your first major race? What was that, and what mistakes did you do during that time, and what did you learn?
My first race, my official first race was cross country,
Okay.
national cross country in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Uh, Actually, state meet I won in a wonderful timing, and between the state meet and nationals 20 days. And we were hosting the meet in Hyderabad only, local, all India. And the Sivanath was the winner in men's section there.
Okay.
Sivanath was a great cross country runner. There, what happened? In between, I had small fox.
Okay.
Uh, After state meet, in between, I was not having much time to recover. And
Okay.
with all that, I cried also for that. That was my first this thing. I recovered. I took a lot of juices. That this and all. I tried to come back. Okay, 78% I recovered and went and ran wonderful race. I was placed fourth. As a
Okay.
team, we were the champions. Just because of my points, our team got gold. That
Okay.
was my first team gold medal we got.
Okay.
From there, I never looked back.
Any
I was
mistakes you
very
did during that
serious.
time which you corrected later?
So many mistakes we made.
Okay.
See, my coach says he knows. He was in abroad for so many countries. He knows so many big people, and my quality is world class. See, whatever the training I was doing for others, other trainees, I do 12 repetitions. After eight repetitions, they come and say, "Sir, I finished." Hey, I
Okay.
counted. Shut up. You go complete that thing. My case, after completing, I never cheated my coach. I argued with
Okay.
my coach. I never lied with my coach. After completion, I used to say, "I'll go for one more set." No, no, no. It is more
Okay.
for you. Come down, come down. He used to say. That was the
Okay.
attitude. Working wise, speed. I was having a wonderful speed. No one can touch in India. That's what
Okay.
शिवनाथ used to say. अरे इसको मारना है तो कम से कम 100 मीटर की उसको आगे चले जाना, नहीं तो इसे मार देता है. That was the
Acha, acha.
attitude.
Okay.
People used to come in local meets, railway meets and other meets. Those days, the people used to come for inter-divisional meet. 5 to 10,000 people used to come, and
Okay.
especially my race, finishing, it was last round. They used to come see my finishing, and after the race, they used to go away. My
Okay.
finishing was exciting all the time.
Okay. We got Dr. Shivaji Kole, who is actually tuned in from Pune, saying hello. He's a runner,
Hello,
ultra
sir.
marathoner, and he also has
Yes.
got a concept of yoga for runners, which he actually popularized in Pune. So he's just tuned in and saying hello to you.
Hi,
The
sir. Hi.
coaches, you had a state coach, you also had the national coach. Who was your national coach under whom you trained?
See, all through, I followed only one coach, that is my personal coach, Mr. Keshav Reddy. But in the
Okay.
Indian camps, Jay Saini. Jay
Okay, Jai
Saini.
Saini. Okay, again another famous
Recently
coach.
passed away.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Another famous coach actually. Any
wonderful.
memorable performances you remember of yours in your competitive career? I think you got around 2 decades of competitive career, or 20 years plus of running competitively. Which are your favorite performances?
See, there are things happened in Calicut Nationals. In the first round, first hurdle, water jump. I fell in the pit.
Yeah.
They jumped on me. I lost the rhythm. I just got up and started running backside. And about
Okay.
20 seconds I lost in that.
Okay.
And uh, afterwards, I covered I covered and covered. Almost I won the gold. I missed gold. That was an exciting race.
Okay.
In Hyderabad, no, okay, even Hisar Nationals, the
Okay.
camp was going on. I was not. Indian camp was going on. I was not in camp.
Okay.
From Indian camp, all the team came. That was trials for some international meet.
Okay.
About 8 internationals came and participated in my event, steeplechase. It was very tough.
Okay.
Gopal, Dogra, Anok Singh, I forgot, Gurdeep. Like that, there are 8 persons represented India. They came from Patiala. And
Okay.
the race was the temperature was, it's about +4. For South
Okay.
Indians, it is very difficult.
Yeah.
And all are barefoot runners. Putting your
Okay.
feet in the water, it is so cold. And I ran a wonderful race. I bet everybody except Gopal Seni. Gopal Seni came and hugged me. Sriram Singh came down. Sriram Singh from the pavilion, he came down, congratulated me. I was a young man. That was one of the memorable race. He
Okay.
really appreciated me there.
Okay.
And there are exciting races in 1500. I was
Okay.
in the nationals. I did not do. For local races, I was doing wonderful 1500. 354, 353 I ran barefoot those days.
Okay.
353 barefoot, not on the synthetic track, normal track.
Okay. I mean, having run all those races of being fast, I mean, is there a feeling of kind of sadness that you could not represent India for Asian Games or the Olympics?
See, now things are different. Those days, for South Indians, it bit difficult only. And not only that, there are great runners. That time the
Okay.
competition was too huge also. If they send 4 people from India in steeplechase, all they can come first, second, third, fourth.
Oh,
That was the
okay.
state. Only two can allowed. Two can
Okay.
allowed. Only thing, I was a medal prospect in 82 Asian Games. That time, I had the dengue fever. I could not run final trials.
Okay.
That was a bad. That I feel very bad even today.
Okay. That's
I was
sad
in
to
very
hear.
good. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm sure that would have added to your medal, cupboard, which you already have now. And I'm sure there are a lot of medals inside that cupboard also. I don't think
Yeah.
have you counted those medals? How many medals do you have now? Till now?
Yeah. I not these marathon participation medals. I won about 300 podium medals.
300 podium medals. Wow, that's really inspiring
Yeah.
to hear. So you were a steeplechaser all your life, and suddenly then you decided, okay, fine, let me try marathon. What made you do that change?
No, not suddenly changing. For all the meets, for departmental meets, we have to run for points. We
Okay,
we run 5,000. I ran 30 minutes 20 seconds, 30 minutes 30 seconds. So Indian Railways, so many 3 4 races I ran.
okay,
About 5,000, 14, 28, 14, 20, 14, 32, 3 4 races, 5,000 I ran.
okay,
Steeple. I was one of the relay runners. I ran 50.5 400. They utilized me even for the relay.
okay,
I was having very good speed.
okay,
I'll tell you one thing. In Indian camps, sometimes they used to take PT Usha, Reet Abraham, not Reet, Shiny Abram. For
Shiny
them,
Abraham, yeah,
for relay sake, they used to take a
yeah,
trials. So sometimes individual trials used to happen.
okay,
So Sainis sir used to call distance runners.
okay,
Whenever this pace, this thing is there, they used to run away. And
okay,
twice I ran with because they are very faster than these distance runners.
Okay.
For sprinting, for sprinting, PT Usha, Vandana Rao, they are running below 52, 51.5, 52 like that. I was only giving pace to them
Okay.
those days.
You're like you were
Okay.
like at that time the pacer for the. So
Pacer in the
how was your
400,
first?
no? How was?
Okay. So how was your first marathon?
Oh, first marathon, huh? I'll tell you. Uh, first marathon, I don't recollect.
Okay. Okay. And can
There
you tell me
are
about your
races
best
I ran
marathon?
about
So your best marathon time
15,
is 2
20
hours 20
marathon.
minutes.
You see, those days, these chip and other things, only handmade things they used to take.
Okay.
Okay, for marathon, it's not this thing. And no refreshments, no proper kits, no shoes, no. See, we have to take every 2-3 kilometers. We have to take the
Drink
this thing.
water.
Those
Yeah.
and those even electrolytes were not there.
Okay.
Sometimes we used to ask and take glucose and
Glucose.
other things.
Yeah.
Glucose.
Okay.
It was not there after. Uh,
So do you remember that race, 2 hours 20, when you clocked?
Not exactly 222. There are about 230, 240, about 15, 20 races I ran.
Okay.
Actually Chittur, I ran a wonderful race. My coach asked me to run all the races. 3 days meet.
Okay.
First day I ran 350. First day I ran 356,500. Second day about 15 minutes 5,000.
Okay.
And third day uh, 10,000 I ran about 31:10 something like that. Um, fourth day morning I went and ran marathon. That was sub 230, 220 something,
Okay.
and came back after the race is over. I just went and took baths. I took some juices and other things. 3:30 I came back and ran 3,000 meters steeplechase.
Oh,
Both
wow.
are toughest. Both after marathon, at least you need 1 week rest.
Yeah.
After marathon, you cannot walk even. I came back. 3:30 was steeplechase. I ran 9:37, 9:36 steeplechase.
Where
That
did that
was
energy
that
come
was
from, actually? So, I mean, this is amazing to hear. Where did that energy come from?
my covering of mileage 220, 210, 200 kilometers. Weekly once 32 kilometers. Monday morning 32 kilometers I have to go.
Okay.
Covering of mileage. My coach taught me only one thing. You need to develop your base. That's all. Anything,
Okay.
if your base is strong, you can do anything. Your
Okay.
fitness matters. My weights and my covering of mileage, both the things. I am ready even in the midnights. Wake me up and go for the race. I am ready just because of my mileage. Every Monday, 32 kilometers. Sometimes morning 32, evening 10 kilometers slow running.
Okay.
That
Can you
that was
describe
the
your training
that was
schedule
the
during that time? So 1970s, right? The training schedule during that time, just for the viewers to know, what it takes. Can you just describe, say, for example, 1 week training schedule during a 1970s? Because my next question would be after that would be how has it changed now? So you describe your training schedule during that time, 1970s, please.
one thing. One thing is that a lot of research had done in distance running all over the world.
Yeah.
Um, 30s and Pawan Urmi time. That was about three Olympics he
1950s.
ran.
Yeah.
Not 50s, 30s,
30s.
20, 20, 24, 28 Olympics. He
Okay.
won, he created 25 world records, 9 gold medals, 3 silver medals.
Yeah.
That time, not much knowledge about distance running. They were just like that. They were doing. Some are doing. If your event is 5,000 every day, they are running 5 kilometers, and
Okay.
there are no proper shoes, no proper diet. What to do, what not to. What exactly is distance running? They do not know.
Okay.
Later, Percy's surety started. Some research took place, and Fred Wilt came. He started doing some other this thing, and with Jetovic. Jetovic
Yeah. Is that a pick?
did 60. They introduced interval training.
Interval training? Yes.
Interval training. Oh, what he used to do 6400s. If it is not completed this evening, next day morning he used to come and complete that and then go for the workout.
Another
The
60. Yeah. Okay.
quantity, not another 60. Remaining 60, if it is 60, today he completed 45. Tomorrow morning he comes and finishes 15. And then go for what is that day's workout. Like that he used to do. It was blindly practicing. Practice quantity was so much.
Okay.
So afterwards, when Lydiard entered, Lydiard started changed the whole concept of distance running.
Okay.
Periodization entered. Periodization entered. Systematic training started. But
Okay.
at the same time, even cheating started. Doping
Okay.
started from the communist countries like
East Germany.
Vladimir Kutz.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, and some of the European communist countries and Russia. That time there was no drug testing. But Kutz won 5,000, 10,000 in 56 Melbourne.
Okay.
But he died at the age of 45. Horrible death, just because of his
Drugs.
use drugs.
Yeah. Okay.
And Lydiard's system was so wonderful. He analyzed total concept of our physiology and what is
Okay.
what. He analyzed. He started explaining systematically. He started wonderful plans and other things, and he was successful. And Peter Snell was the first trainee for him. He won
Okay.
800 and 1500 golds, 60 Rome Olympics.
Okay.
Later, Lassie Viren also followed their thing. Lassie Viren is also a wonderful athlete, but he also cheated, blood doping.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
you
How
know
how
what
are
is
the
blood
training
doping?
methods changed actually during your time and during, because now people talk about strength training, they talk about different types of training for long distances. Was it the same during that time, or is it like a new change which you're seeing nowadays?
Nothing is happening today. Only, only he joins. He doesn't know anything. He comes to the
Okay.
training. He starts running. Next week he will try to go for 30 kilometers long running.
Okay.
Everybody, I have to go run long to become. See, first thing, if you wanted to become a marathon runner, yours is a normal body. Yours is a normal body. What is difference between Gebre Selassie and Pravakar? Size is same, height is same, whatever we are eating, all the organs are same. He has brought his level of fitness to that level. We did not do. That's only difference. What is that? How he has developed that system? What is distance running actually? What is distance running? We do see. Unfortunate, I'm telling. Indians are great scientists. In America, all fields except sports. There is no research happening in India. There is no,
Okay.
Indians are high. Indians are highly educated, highly intelligent, but nobody is doing any
Sports
research
medicine.
on Indian sports.
Yeah. Okay.
Nothing. There is no sports medicine in India today. I am telling you. Only
Yeah. Okay.
namesake. No namesake.
How about
Don't.
nutrition? How has it changed now?
Nine,
Because when you
nine,
were,
nine, nine,
yeah,
You asked about training. Those
yeah,
days, dedication was there. If you are a runner, you run. Diet, see, diet, very wrong concept. Many people think in it. What you need? You are a runner. What you need? You are a weightlifter. What you need? You are a swimmer. What you need? You are a footballer. What you need? That you have to first decide. What exact? Every game, every event, there is a base. You have to develop.
Okay.
Indians, what is happening? Indians are highly talented. Highly talented. Our speed, our agility, our mobility is totally different. We are born
Okay.
athletes, almost all. Our quickness, but we are not utilizing it. Why? Because we are not thinking of proper fitness.
Okay.
Fitness. You talk about one Chinese shuttle badminton player, one Indian shuttle badminton player. Their Chinese shuttle badminton player, 80% fitness. Indian shuttle badminton, maybe 20%. Actually, Indian shuttle badminton players are more faster, more intelligent, more better players than Chinese, but their
Okay.
fitness is totally different.
Okay.
Fitness matters there. What is the base? We have to develop that. This
So
in
you're talking about the base
this
and fitness levels.
fitness levels.
Okay.
See those things, two things. If you wanted to become a runner, first you develop the base of your body. You are a
Okay.
normal man. You have to change your body to a runner's body first.
Okay.
That takes at least 6 to 8 months or one year if you do it properly. If you don't do it properly, 2 years, 3 years. Some people they come and ask me, sir, last 5 years I am doing so much of mileage, sir. I am unable to come down to 5 hours. What shall I
Okay.
do, sir?
Okay.
You cannot. You cannot. You are there only. You do whatever the amount you are doing. You will not come. See,
So at
six to
what age
eight
should they
months.
start actually, if I may ask you?
No, no, no. 1 minute. Let me complete this.
Sure. Sorry.
See, if you wanted to be a great runner, see, peak won't be there all 365 days. Usain Bolt ran 100 meters 958 only once in lifetime. That after the Olympics, 4 years vigorous training for that day. That peak may be 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. It won't be there. All through
Always.
what is happening in Indian marathon common runners, 365 days, same training.
Okay.
365 same training. That will not develop. You have to make your training system. You have to develop your base.
Okay.
Preparatory 1, preparatory 2, preparatory 3, competitive period. What is
Okay.
preparatory 1? You have to develop your base. What is base in distance running? Endurance. First endurance. Once your if you develop heart and lung capacity, your pulse rate comes down. Your RBC levels, RBC, red blood cells plays the major role.
Yeah.
Your blood, nothing else. Your intake of oxygen, the person who takes more oxygen, who able to take more oxygen. VO2 max, you must have heard so
Yeah.
many
Yeah.
people talk
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
VO2.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That is nothing but the test is nothing but an athlete's 1 minute test. How much he is able to you take oxygen. That is the thing. If you are able to take more oxygen, what is that? How you are able to take more oxygen? If your blood
By developing
RBC
the
levels
endurance.
are more, that carries the oxygen from oxygen. Heart pumps into lungs from there. The red blood
Okay.
holds the oxygen, carries to
Yeah.
the carries to the muscles. If
How
you are
much
having
time does it
more
take, if I
RBC
may ask
levels,
you, to develop the endurance levels? Sorry.
or 3 4 months, if you do it in a systematic way,
3 4 months for you
if you
to
do
do
it
it in a
in a system,
systematic way. Okay. And
yeah,
what age
systematic.
should generally people see? People are coming from different ages, wanting to become a long distance runner. What is the recommendation for age? When it comes to starting long distance running, because I heard from a lot of people is that base level is important before they enter into really long distances.
See, 17 years old, Kenyan is winning a medal. 17 years. And they don't
Okay.
have any scientific background, any facilities, anything. What is
Yeah.
that they are having? India is very rich now. Kenya is very poor. And
Yeah.
Kenya, maybe in cities, all those runners who are coming from, most of them are coming from Nandi Hills. It is a high altitude. Their
Yeah.
oxygen depth is there. There, what we eat, palak like thing, that is
Yeah.
their regular green, one green curry is there. I don't know the
Yeah.
name of that.
They
They
also
eat
eat maize a
regularly.
lot. Maize. Yeah.
Yeah, that is carbohydrate. Maybe I don't know, protein. Huh?
Yeah.
It is like upma.
Yeah. It's like
It
upma
is
only,
like
something
upma.
similar. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
They make it out of
uh,
maize powder. Maize is one of the major crop there in Kenya, and they make it
yeah,
of maize powder, something similar, like upma only.
yeah.
Yeah.
And like India, they drink a lot of buttermilk, and they are
Yeah.
not having much high diet also. They eat that green curry is there. And one other thing, talking about diet, see,
Yeah.
world is dominated by three countries in distance running. One is
Yes.
Morocco, one is
Yeah.
Kenya,
Yeah.
one is Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Totally three
Uganda
are
to some
different.
extent also.
Yeah, those three countries are totally different. Even Moroccans are Muslims. Their
Hmm.
eating habits are different.
Hmm.
They are in sea level, not high
Yeah.
altitudes.
Okay.
And take about Kenyans. Kenyans special favorite food is what
Yeah.
raw blood.
Okay.
Blood. They hit
Raw
the
blood. Okay.
animal with the they hit
Okay.
the animal with the arrow and
Okay.
take the blood to a glass and drink on the spot and leave the animal.
Okay.
Their everybody drinks like that. I don't know blood becomes blood or not. I don't know, but that is their favorite thing.
Is that like a RBC increasing technique?
I don't think so. Blood maybe uh, it maybe not 100%, at least 20-30%.
Okay.
And they see since they are born and brought up, that is suiting them. Many
Yeah.
people go to high altitude. Many people go to high altitude. All the world Olympians, distance runners, 3 months before they go to high altitude, straight away from Kenya to Olympic village, they come like that. 1 week
Oh,
before they come down,
okay. Okay.
uh, and that doesn't suit everybody. If you go train there, I don't think it is a oxygen depth. Here in the sea level, if you are getting 100% oxygen, there only 30-40% of oxygen. Less oxygen, more
Yeah.
effort. So your heart has to work harder than normal, so that
Now.
it develops RBC levels. It is very simple. It develops RBC level.
Okay.
And one other thing, what is yoga? What is
Yeah.
yoga? Yoga is nothing but cardio. Cardio. A Olympic
Okay.
champion. I'm asking you one thing. A Mo Farah, Gibri Selassie, or any Lassie Viren. What must be
Yeah.
their resting pulse? What must be their resting pulse?
I am not sure.
It's about 26, 27, 28. Resting pulse in the
Okay.
mornings.
Okay.
26 to 30. That range.
Okay.
What a yogi sitting on the Himalayas and doing meditation, what must be his pulse rate?
No, I don't know,
It's
sir.
about 8,
8.
9, 10. 8,
Okay.
9, 10. Many people do not know. Not many people, 99% people do not know. Meditation is a cardio.
Okay.
There, you are running, you push your pulse rate to 150 and above for a longer period. You work your heart and lungs pump, pump, pump. That way, you are developing. There, it is different action. Different action. And that's what all those olden years,
Yeah.
A king going for a war, before that 5 6 months, they used to do yoga, meditation, breathing exercise to
Yeah.
become
Okay.
fit. To become fit.
Okay.
Now we are not
I got
doing
a
that.
couple of
Do
audience
breathing
questions.
exercise.
Can I just put in there?
Yes.
Okay. First one, I mean, Mr. Mufaddal Hararwala actually is saying that he had asked you some questions some time back, and you explained it really well on periodization, and in fact
Periodization.
he had an altercation with you online, but you were very nice and you explained the concept really well, and he's saying that you're really humble and helpful in taking your time to explain, just as you are doing right now. His question was on MAFTON method, which is concentrating on low heart rate. What is your opinion on that, sir?
First thing, I didn't get that first point. First point.
I said he had an altercation with you online, but you explained to him really well, and he is really happy that you explained that to him, the concept of periodization, and you're very humble and helpful. That's what he's saying.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
His question was on MAFTON method. What's your opinion on that? Running with low heart rates, which is a concept which has come in. A book has been written on that also.
I really, they have never gone through that. But only
Okay.
thing, see, there are two concepts here: meditation and running. Both are different workouts. Both, it develops our central nervous system. It strengthens our all the body. We are having all kinds of exercise. Your brain. There is no
Okay.
exercise. Only
Okay.
running and meditation. Meditation is 100%. If you do meditation, you can do anything. Even Mr. You wanted to become an Olympic champion and do meditation for 2 years, and you can become an Olympic champion. That is
Okay.
possible.
Yeah.
That is possible.
I think a bit old for me now with
Meditation
the
is
white hair.
no problem. I am 68. I'm 68. That's what. If I'm 50,
Yeah.
okay.
So Mr. Kiranpal Singh, who is almost your same age, maybe 1 year younger than you, his question is
Yeah.
that can a middle distance runner who's 5K and 10K, can they also succeed in long distance running? What different training he has to do for being successful in all the four formats? 5K, 10K, half marathon, and full marathon.
See, this is one other wrong concept in many people's. You have to develop. I told you, base you have to develop.
Okay.
From 800 to marathon or ultra marathon, mileage is, even if you wanted to be a great 800 runner, so you have to do longer mileage.
Okay.
What is that? What is longer mileage? You are improving your RBC levels. RBC levels has to develop only through longer mileage. Unless only here, your pace workouts, your track speed is different.
Okay.
Your track, you are a 800, 1500 runner. You go for 52, 53, 400s, that kind of faster pace workouts. If you are a 5000, 10,000 runner, your pace will be, you may go for 66, 67 pace.
Okay.
That's only that pace workouts are different.
Okay.
That's all. You have to change only those pace workouts. There are few workouts. If you change, you can go for that. No problem. All middle and long
So,
distance mileage and base is same.
so would they also do around 200 kilometers in a week, like a long distance runner?
See, before Sebastian Coe ran 332.
Yeah.
Like sub for our what's his name? Bannister did under 4. Even today we are talking. It is not a gold medal. It is not a competition. It's not a major competition. But actually, he was placed 5th or 4th or 5th in a Olympics. He's a medical student.
Surgeon.
He was
He's
a
a
doctor
neurosurgeon.
later.
Yeah.
He was studying when he went for Olympics. He came back with Offord. He lost the medal, came back, and one day after 1 month, he was studying. About 10 o'clock, he had an idea. I lost my
Yeah.
medal in the Olympics. I have to create something. I must do this. And finally, he had the idea of running below 4, and he trained and he got under 4. The same thing in 90s, 80s and 90s, who is going to run below 330 in 1500? That was a big news. Everybody
Okay.
expected Sebastian Coe. There also, mileage matters. Mileage has to go. Mileage has to 220. If they do, these people can do. And finally, the Syed Aita broke the record. Syed Aita, and that's end of it. No, that's only pace I'm talking about. Base if you develop. And one other thing, mileage to 200 or 220, a Olympic champion and you, me also same you can do. Don't need to run
Okay.
faster. Duration, duration is important, not speed.
How much
Always,
duration do you
even
recommend in a week?
it's about 2 hours, not more than that. What is that? 10, 15 kilometers you're doing. How much it takes?
Okay.
How much? But our pace, my 32 kilometers, it's less than 2 hours. 40 pace, 10 minutes, 2 hours. It's around 2 hours like that we used to do. That may be for normal people. It may be faster.
Okay.
Okay.
So there's a question on newcomers to long distance running. A weekly training plan approximate. I mean, what would you recommend? What they do in a week?
See, middle and long. One other thing. Ron Clark. You heard of Ron Clark?
Yes,
He is an
from
Australian.
Australia. Yeah.
Created. He created 17 world records.
Yeah.
So mileage they wanted. So he is a CEO for a company and with responsible job, and he created 17 world records. He was such a great athlete.
Yeah.
Morning, afternoon, evening, three sessions a day he trained. For
Okay.
the sake of 5 years, not even a single session he missed. Daily three
Oh,
three
for
times.
5 years.
When he,
Okay.
when he is traveling in a flight, he used to run between cockpit to this thing itself. They used to say, but 5 years he never missed a session also. And
Wow.
unfortunately, he got only one medal, one bronze medal with. He is what they say, he is against time, not against the competitors. With the
Yeah.
competitors, he never did. And even David Bedford also, but he did not stay for longer. He created 4 world record and retired very fast.
In fact, there's
This
a famous story about Emil Zatopek and Ron Clark, right? Where Ron Clark had gone to meet him, and in the flight, while leaving, Zatopek awarded a medal, his Olympic gold medal, to Ron Clark with a message. He said, "You deserve it more." So there is a big story, during that time. So about Zatopek awarding the medal, and that was a big inspirational
how
story.
how it is possible? He is quite junior to him. Helsinki 52 he won.
So he had retired. He had retired, but still he had gone to his place to train with
Not
him.
yet.
And, yeah.
They invited him. They
Yeah.
invited.
So he gave his medal to him as a token of appreciation.
Something. Yeah. It was a story, but
Yeah.
I don't know exactly medal or any. They honored him. He invited him after
Yeah.
17 years in 64. Finally, he ran marathon. Marathon at any cost. I must win the race. He's having a lot of stamina, a lot of everything is there. And Abhi Bikela was the runner. Abhi Bikela was the winner. And he up till about 30 kilometers, he was holding Avi Bikela, and later
Okay.
he was out.
Yeah. So it's around 1 hour now, sir. So we just got few more questions. I hope it is okay with you.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
My question to you is that when will our runners run such great times below 2:10?
Everybody, if you don't have desire, you cannot become anything. If you
Okay.
wanted to rob, if you wanted to get through the exam with 100 points, if you wanted to become a businessman, you need to have desire. See, now I'm telling you, 90%, 95% of the Indian coaches are working for the sake of salary. Coach needs
Okay.
to have first thing coach needs to have desire to produce. How Gopi Chand, he comes to his working place by 4 o'clock in the morning. Why
Okay.
he should come by 4 o'clock as a coach?
Yeah.
And he takes Sindhu separately, Saina separately. He takes lot up till 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. He's sweating so much. That's his desire to produce. If that thing is there, see, one other, there are so many mistakes happening in India. Why all 100 Kenyans are coming and taking all the Indian money and going back? Why Indians are not winning? Why?
Okay.
See, in America, if they conduct a race, Chicago Marathon, not only a marathon, they are having a setup of year-round activities. They are coaches,
Yeah.
they are physios,
Yeah.
they are having lab, they are having research. They do everything. They do everything. They sponsor so many people.
Yeah.
They try to develop that thing is there. See, I'm not criticizing anybody. They do not know.
Yeah.
Somebody has to tell.
Yeah.
Somebody has to tell. See,
Yeah. Okay.
sports ministers comes without any sports background. Somebody has to advise him, sir. This is the system we have to develop. This
Okay.
is the thing, so that it will come up. There are no advisors, no proper advisors. If
Okay.
India can do anything, India can do anything. India can win 20, 30 medals. Where is the plan? Where is the plan?
What are the
See,
common
I'll tell
mistakes
you.
the coaches do nowadays? I mean, I know that you said, okay, salary is one, but what are the most common mistakes which people do in coaching for
See,
long distance?
he also should know it, no? What is the system? He also should
Uh,
know the system,
From
no?
what yeah, okay, one is he doesn't know the system, but anything else apart from that, do they push the people
What
so
he
much?
has to do.
Yeah.
No, what he has to do, he has to. A coach means is like a student. He has to. I read about 3-4 hours every day. I go to later say I am not today's man, but today so many things changed. But I'm going on reading things. I'm learning so many things. See, I'll tell you one thing. We are doing so many stretches. If you go to a ground, in Bombay, you go to Nariman Point or Bangalore,
Yeah.
Cubbon Park, they'll start stretching.
Yeah.
Stretching is part of your warm up.
Yeah.
That's they give 100% priority.
Okay.
And what you have to develop, they don't. No, I'm not telling you to not to do stretches. Stretches is our part of
It's part of it, not a
training.
major part of it, right?
They are treating like major. That's not the
Okay.
thing. You have to see 90% of the Kenyan runners, they don't even warm up. You know that?
Okay.
90% of Shivanath Singh, just before the run, just go that side, this side, you run. You will not do exercise at all.
Okay.
Only only 2-3, most of them, all top runners, they don't warm up means just jog for 10 minutes and do little exercise. Some don't
Okay.
do exercise also, and they are having that base. Once on the track, they start. That rhythm comes. That's all.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
one thing I am asking you. In 30s and today,
Yeah.
Mo Farah, Gibri Selassie, whatever, Lassivirian, whatever it is today, and 30, 40, 50 years back, Olympic champions. What is difference between that time Olympians and this now latest Olympians? What is difference? Who is strong?
The previous people did not have so much of help. So I'm saying the previous people were more stronger. If they had so much of help like now, then it would have been different.
One thing, equipment. One thing, equipment. See, Jesse Owens ran on cinder track without blocks, starting blocks. They digged and they kept the spike and a horrible handmade spikes, and he ran 10.2.
Yeah.
And with now fully covered, it's now the stadium with the synthetic track, electronic timings, wind covering wind. There won't be wind at all inside the stadium. How much you have to do? And wonderful spikes, and so much of research, and that 10 to he can easily run 9.5.
Okay.
That's it. And now so much of, and one thing, what is food stuff? In America, what food stuff is banned, in India, heart sales. Well, they do not know. They do not know tomorrow what's going to happen. And most of the coaches don't allow their children to come and practice. Most coaches, they don't allow children to come and do the event. Why? And they give all kinds of, most of them. Now, I'm not telling all. There are very good coaches are there, but
Yeah.
now a lot of business is going on, food stuff, especially food stuff.
Okay.
Especially now we are having a very good natural food. I mean, raw food. Everything is available in India. Whatever you want,
Yeah.
what kind of
Yeah.
fruits, greens, everything. And why you should go for food stuff? Today meeting happened. Now what's happening in an Russian team is total team is banned.
Yeah.
Why?
So we got a couple of questions coming in, and we are also going to almost come to an end to the session. Also, can I just ask a few questions from the audience? The first question is, is that how to? This is by Mufaddal Hararwala, and he's saying that how to find the perfect lactate threshold pace for one runner.
See, that's what I told. You have to develop pace. I mean, base first. If your endurance base you develop, if your pulse rate is below 50, you can do that. And your RBC levels are 16 plus. Automatically you run. You develop this first. If your oxygen carrying capacity, if you develop, your body automatically goes. And concentrate. See, afterwards they should concentrate on pace training.
Pace training.
Okay. Pace training. Yeah.
So you've got
about that he can do it, no problem. First he has to develop his base.
Okay.
And one other thing, distance running. Actually, they have to hear. We have to make 4 different parts. One is preparatory 1, preparatory 2, preparatory 3, and COMT 2. Okay. And first preparatory only mileage. Second, you have to percentage. This is 80-20. The speed is only 20 or 10%. Second pace, you have to improve the speed 30-40% and reduce mileage. Yeah. Third pace, you have to introduce strength. So you should go to hill training. You should do half squats, too much of half squats, bench press, these things. If you wanted to be a real professional runner, you have to do these things. And fourth, the final 6 weeks, you have to go for all speed workouts, interval training, fartleks, and all these pace trainings. Automatic, you without any problem, they can reach there. Whatever the goal you wanted, you can do it.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So my last question to you, because yeah, so I'm sure you know the viewers here might want to hear you a lot, but there's a time restriction also. So my last question is that, what's your advice to everyone who want to take up long distance running, hobby or otherwise? Your say top
Otherwise,
5 tips. Yeah.
when you're doing, Anil Ambani is coming and running 10 kilometers. The
Yeah.
Anil Ambani is 1 hour or 2 hours. What is the worth?
A lot.
Out of 24, out of 24 hours, he is spending 1 or 2 hours. And what must be the worth? If he is at home, he'll attend phones, he will talk to people, his business goes on. And he is leaving everything and coming and doing it. And that should be proper. That should be proper.
Okay.
And once if you are on the field, think of right right any kind of sports, should help not to damage your health. Any kind
Okay.
of bad stuff, food stuff, don't spend money, don't waste your money. Only just get up and go natural, everything. Just juices, greens, beetroots, carrots, these natural things.
Okay.
Whatever Indian food is wonderful. Indian food
Okay.
is proved it is the best. You are a
Okay.
Bengali, you are a Tamilian, you are a Andhraite, you are a Maharashtrian. Whatever food we are eating, that is the best. And add these things: greens, beetroot, carrot, and some juices.
Okay.
Uh, and and these natural things, I'll tell you, those days, Sivaraj and all, what is their special diet, and they used to
Okay.
go for some badam, pista, and other dry fruits, and amla
Okay.
is their amla, amla,
Yeah. Yeah. Gooseberry.
amla is the special diet for them. Two glasses
Amla.
of
Okay.
juice every time,
Amla
amla,
juice
and go
every
out
time.
and no, amla. They
Yeah.
eat amla,
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, not raw one. They soaked one they
Yeah.
eat.
And they make juice out of it.
No, they eat just like that. And
Okay.
Mosambi juice, 2 glasses. That's all. Their
Mosami juice.
special diet.
So Mosami
That's
juice
all
and Amla juice were special diet for them. And Badam and Pista.
for them.
Yeah, yeah.
Badam,
Mr.
pista, and
Praveen
dry
Kumar
fruits.
Sangwan, all the way from Delhi, Gurgaon, he's saying hello to you. And he's saying the session has been really
Hi, hi.
inspirational for him. He actually participated in a stadium run quite recently where they did around 12, 24 hours approximately, I think 12 to 24 hours. So he was a participant there. And he said, please convey my regards to you. So we are coming to an end to a
Thank
session,
you.
Mr. Sir. So what I would do is thank you very much from all our side. It's been a wonderful session hearing about not only about the history of India when it comes to long distance running, which most of our runners don't know, new runners, and also a few bits of the world running also. And also your take on the training has been excellent. You had a very simple mantra, which is basically maintain the base. You base is everything for betterment in timing also for long distance running. That is what you have said. And most importantly, when it comes to diet, Indian food is world class. You don't have to try anything else. Nothing fancy. So everything, our food is the best, and that is what you told us. So thank you very much for your
And
time, sir. Yeah.
one moment. I'm part of Striders.
Yeah.
The Striders is a wonderful organization. Really love to work with them.
Yeah.
And we are about 60 coaches all over the country, and we are
Okay.
having a wonderful management. Our CEOs are Deepak and Praful. They are doing a wonderful service to Bombaykers. Many
Okay.
Bombaykers we are having a set of 60 wonderful coaches. They are doing a
Yeah.
lot of service to many corporates, many regular runners. They're doing a wonderful job. I am really enjoying their service.
Yeah.
I'm part of Striders family. It is really wonderful thing, and they are doing a wonderful job. And they are official this thing for the Bombay Marathon also. We are
Okay.
organizing ultra marathon, Tata ultra marathon yearly once in this thing. So wonderful organization this is.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
really thankful to them. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much, sir, for your time. And Jai Hind.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you very much to all the viewers for tuning in. And I hope the session has been informative when it comes to hearing Mr. Rao's experience, and also when it comes to hearing Mr. Rao's experience, and also his take on training, where he says base was the main thing. Just to let all the viewers know, we're going to have a surprise session in August. In August, we got all the runners, because it's Independence, our month for Independence Day, August 15th. But I have a set of sessions in August, which is all the runners from forces are going to come. So there is a surprise coming this Tuesday. We're going to have Olympian Ram Singh Yadav, who's going to come and talk to us about his experience. And I think that will be a wonderful session again. I know it's back to back, but Tuesday is the time when he's free. And most importantly, I want all of you to tune in and hear about his experience about long distance running. And I'm sure that will be a wonderful experience for you to listen to him. He's also a coach now, so you can also listen to his advice and coaching. And please do join us Tuesday at the same time, 6:30. Then you can hear about it. Thank you very much for coming in. And once again, thank you for all the love and affection you're showing to this channel, All India Runners Motivation. And we hope that we can bring in a lot of runners, both India. We're also looking at international, coming in September, most probably. We got a few people from international who's going to talk about long distance running and trail running also. Just to give you a good mix about from not only from India and also from other countries, so that it can motivate our runners to do well. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bye, and have a great weekend. Jai Hind.